Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Cheryl here today. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul. I call it the holiday edition. So if you want to see what I picked up, stick around. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad that you stopped by to see what I picked up today. On this haul, I've got several things, so this is going to be longer than my normal Dollar Tree hauls. But before we get into that, I want to show you this shirt that I got on. It's Ren and Stimpy, Happy, Happy, Joy, Joy. This came as a surprise to me from Miss Kathy over at No Guts, No Glory. Thank you so much. I was so happy to receive it. It is a large. I like large, even though a medium would fit better. But I like this, and I love Ren and Stimpy, and I finally found a little figure. I talked about it before in one of my other videos. So let's get started into this haul that I call the holiday edition. Some of it's for Thanksgiving, some might be for Christmas. I don't know. I picked up some of this yesterday, and some I've had sitting around in a box, and I was like, I gotta get rid of this box. But so, as the holidays come, people like to clean, and so I picked up some cleaning stuff. I picked up this LA's Totally Awesome Lemon Ammonia for all household cleaning. This is a big bottle. This is a gallon. And I got that. I want to try to see if this works on some greasy stuff I got around here. Let me show you. This is good for grease, but it's not doing the job that I want. So that means my grease is on overload. So this LA Totally Awesome. This is a refill. This one's 32 fluid ounces. This is really good on grease. And also, like if you put it in your bucket of water to mop your floor, you would be amazed at the dirt that's in the bucket. Now, I've also picked up this Rain Fresh 32 loads with stain lifter. This is the laundry detergent. I use this for my dog's bedding. That way I'm not using up all my good laundry detergent. And last time I bought that, my husband was using on our clothes, so that didn't work either. Okay, I picked up 2 of these lasagna pans. Thanksgiving's coming, so they will probably come in handy with something. I'm not making lasagna, but let's see, what else? I got some chicken broth. Probably use that in something instead of water. A little bit of lemon juice. I had one, but I think it was old, so I don't want to use that one. I got this kosher salt. I think I picked up one last time. I'm not sure, but I'm going to use this on a DIY. Oh, speaking of a DIY, years ago, when I moved here in the country, I gathered up some pine cones, and I put some glue on the tips and sprinkled glitter on them. And I still use them. It's probably been 10 years or more on my tree. But I was sitting outside doing it. And I don't know if I told y'all this before, but anyway, I was sprinkling the glitter on the pine cones. And my uncle came by, and he was like, why are you putting salt on them? And I said, because they good. I don't know what he was thinking. But anyway, I was like, it's glitter. So that's my little story. So we're going to continue, but before we get into that, I want to remind you, please subscribe to my channel. And if I can get at least 15 likes on this video, that'd help me. I truly appreciate everybody who keeps coming back. And so as you can see in the back, I started decorating for Christmas already. I have so much stuff, I got to start early. Okay, let's keep it moving. So we got this lemon and lime Sprite. I bought this to make a 7-Up cake. Even though it's Sprite, it's really the lemon and lime soda that you need. And I'll link that video down below so you can see how I make that cake. And I just picked up one of these sugar-free Rip It drinks. It's an energy drink. I picked up this Hawaiian spray refill to put in one of my spray thingies. I forget what they call. I was running low, so this is the Breckenridge Sweet Relish. This is almost a 12-ounce bottle. So I picked that up. And then I picked up a little thing of sweet pickles in case I decide to use these for something. Let's see, what else we got for holidays? You know you're going to need some foil. I have a big one, but I decided to pick up a little smaller one in case I need it. You know, you got to get the cleaning before the folks come in. So I got me some more of my sponges because I'm always afraid I'm going to run out. And then I got some Brillo pads so I can clean up a couple things here in the kitchen. And because I can't remember if I have it or not, I always pick up another. I got me some parchment paper and some wax paper. I'm pretty sure I didn't have any more wax paper. So they'll come in handy for something. I picked up 2 of these Supreme Tradition black peppercorns to put in my pepper grinder. And then I saw this. I could have got another bottle of something else bigger, but this really smells good. This is the Kalar & Danver liquid hand soap. And this one is 23 fluid ounces. This is Delicious Berry Delicious or something like that, but it does smell good. Let me see. This one really smells good. So I ran out, so I picked that up. And we're going to get ready to get into this box that I don't know what's in it. Okay. I think I showed y'all this before. They got this color, pink, all kind of stuff. They getting ready for spring, y'all. Already. I ain't seen Valentine's yet. Okay. I always have little gadgets and gadgets going on around here at Christmas time. So I picked up 3 packs, I think it's 3 of the alkaline. They put 4 back in there. First they had switched it up and had 3. So I picked up 3 of the batteries because I got a lot of little things around here. Hey guys, I'm sorry. Something happened to my sound, so I will just show you what I picked up and try to explain it. I picked up these holiday cards. I'm going to use them for invitation to a party that I usually host at Christmas time. They come 12 in a pack, and I thought it'd be nice to send a card instead of doing it on Facebook. Okay, the next item that I picked up is, let's see, these are 4 of the eucalyptus and spearmint shower fizzies. It says you just put them on the floor or on the shelf and they steam up and make your shower smell good. I'd be kind of careful doing it on the floor because it does have oil in it and it could possibly make your shower slippery. So I picked up something that I think I want to do a DIY for. And it is a canvas. Oh, canvas. I forget what size it is. Probably it looks like 8 by 10. And I'm not sure exactly if I'm going to paint on it or what. I did pick up this fabric. It's a teal color and it has snowflakes on it. So I may put this fabric on the canvas and add something to it. So stay tuned for that. I'll be doing quite a few DIYs. I picked up one of these. Then I got this snowflakes ornament. I might put that on the canvas. You know. Okay, I am still having technical difficulties, but I still wanted to share. I got this little deer, and I might put him on the canvas. We will see. But he's a pretty white with glitter and berries on him. So I liked him a lot. If I don't put him on a canvas or do a DIY, I'll use him somewhere else. And I got some tape. because you know you don't want to run out of tape when you get ready to start wrapping your gifts. It has 125 feet, I believe that's on that package. Shoot, let's see what's next. Must have been hungry. I picked up 2 little sweet things. This is Sweet Chaos Peppermint Crunch popcorn. I want to try that out. And then this is the Russell Stover Peppermint, crushed peppermint pieces and white fudge. So I got that. Okay, sound went out again on me, but I still wanted to share what I picked up. So I picked up these acrylic candy canes in the green and red and white and the red and white. I'm going to try to do a DIY, so if you want to see what I come up with, stick around. It'll be coming up shortly. I have a couple other DIYs I want to get out the way first that are pretty easy. I hope you would take a look and see if you like them. And then these are just some metal signs. So, hold on. I got one more thing that I forgot to share. Okay, this is what I went and picked up and I thought was so interesting for me. It's the Bolero vanilla and I think vanilla and sugar and raspberry foot scrub. So I'm going to be saving these for my feet. As you know, I always talk about my feet. So there you have it. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. I got tore up feet, as I always tell y'all. Okay, so that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.